Hey guys, welcome back to the Rusty Toolbox. It's been a little while. As you can see, I'm covered in shavings and sawdust. Haven't done a lot of car projects recently, but in the last 6 to 8 months, I've done a lot of woodworking, including making knives. We'll do a little montage here so you can see some of the different knife projects I've worked on. Right now, I'm on the lathe. I'm turning a little spoon rest, or a ladle rest or spoon rest for my mom. This is English walnut. I had a big slab of it. Made a few things out of it, including a chessboard. Here is that chessboard I made, including all the pieces. That chessboard is framed with that live edge of that English walnut, and the board and pieces are made of maple and wangate, really beautiful wood. So this is what I've been getting into recently, I guess. Woodworking, turning stuff on the lathe, and making knives, making all kinds of stuff. So you can see I'm already making progress on this little ladle rest. It started as a block, a square block, and soon should hopefully be a nice little dish. right, the spoon rests are all done. You can see right there, that's my my logo. There, I got burned in with my cool brand. That is actually my name in Japanese, Kerosu. Kerosu, Keros, for Keros knives. So this one is going to be for my dad since I had some extra. Kind of nice. And then this one for my mom. I think they turned out pretty cool. Again, you can see the brand there on the bottom. And they smell great. They got that orange citrusy wax and finish. And good to go. So I'm pretty stoked about that. And right now I got this drying up. I got a new pair of glasses and I realized I didn't have anywhere to put them. I didn't want to just like keep them in their case. So got this. Glasses can go here and there. And you know, it was just a piece of scrap I had. Sanded it up, cut it down a little bit. So that can rest right on my bathroom counter. I think that's pretty cool. Once that dries, I'll get some finish on it. Yeah, turned out all right. So thanks a lot for joining the channel, for checking it out. It's probably going to be a lot more woodworking content as we go forward. Nothing much to do on the car, but I'm hopefully in the next little while I'll find a new project for motorcycle car stuff. But in the meantime, going to be turning some more stuff on the lathe, making some more stuff in the wood shop. I'll see you next time.